Hello, in this video, we will present the Easy Clips link, forming part of the Easy Clip range by Ready. The Easy Clip links are available in both 160 and 200 diameters. Specifically, we will install an Easy Clip link diameter 160 on an ID 300 diameter corrugated polyethylene tube. Easy Clip links can be installed on pipes of different materials. Smooth plastic pipes from diameter 700 to 1000. Polyethylene corrugated pipes from diameter OD 315 to 1000. Concrete pipes from diameter 300 to 1200. A configurator is available online for choosing the correct Easy Clip, depending on the type of pipe on which it is to be installed. Easy Clip links are compression joints that allow two pipes of different materials and different diameters to be joined together. The diameter of the coupling pipe can be 160 millimeters and 200 millimeters, but as we have said, it can be applied on a wide range of pipes. Easy Clip links can be used on both existing and new pipelines, and are suitable for the discharge of wastewater from homes, but also from industrial facilities or for the drainage of rainwater. Easy Clip links are tested up to a pressure of 0.5 bar and have passed the following tests: pressure, uprooting, shear stress, and combined bending and compressive stress. Using an Easy Clip link guarantees a state-of-the-art job and saves time during installation. The entire Easy Clip links range is made of lead-free PVC, 100% recyclable at the end of use. Easy Clip links are sold in individual boxes. Each pack contains the Easy Clip already pre-assembled and ready for installation, an instruction sheet, a 150 ml tube of lubricant for easy installation, and a tightening spanner.
The label on the box already gives some information about which pipes the Easy Clip link can be installed on. As can be seen, the diameter of the pipe to be coupled, diameter 160, and the type of pipe on which it can be installed are indicated. ID 300 corrugated pipe with a thickness of 15 to 30 millimeters, or OD 315 smooth plastic pipe with a thickness of 5 to 30 millimeters. Let's now look at the installation of Easy Clip link on an ID 300 corrugated tube. The thickness of the inner wall of the corrugated pipe must not be less than 2.8 millimeters and must not have corrugations greater than 0.5 millimeters. This must be checked to prevent the pipe from being fragile, so that when the gasket of the clip is tightened, it can be guaranteed that there will be no breakages. In addition, a very important aspect is to choose the correct equipment for drilling the pipe, which will be different depending on the material. In the case shown, a plastic pipe cutter will be used. A 200 mm diameter hole must be made with a tolerance of +1 millimeter. Firstly, identify the point of the pipeline to be drilled. In the case of several connections on the same length of pipe, leave a distance of at least 1 meter between each one. Now position the equipment perpendicular to the pipe. The hole must be made perpendicular to the axis of the pipe in order to avoid ovalizing or eccentricities that could adversely affect the hydraulic seal of the Easy Clip. Drill the hole in the corrugated polyethylene pipe. After making the hole in the pipe, and after cleaning it of any burrs, it is advisable to fill the internal cavities of the pipe with a 2-component polyurethane quick foam, such as Ponal Rapido by Henkel, to avoid leaks due to deformation of the internal wall during tightening. Know we need to measure the wall thickness of the pipe. Unscrew the ring nut until obtaining a space equal to the thickness of the pipe plus 5 centimeters. Thoroughly lubricate the thread and the contact surface of the gasket with the internal body of the Easy Clip. We recommend using a brush to ensure that the entire surface is lubricated. Use the tube of lubricant supplied in the package. Accompany the insertion of the gasket in the hole. Check that the saddle gasket has fully entered the pipe. Now tighten the ring nut with the appropriate spanner provided until obtaining the compression of the internal gasket and the secure locking of the Easy Clip. Now that the Easy Clip link has been installed, it can be connected with a bend or a 160 millimeters diameter pipe.
Before we leave you, we would like to point out once again that the range of Easy Clip compression joints greatly simplifies work during installation. minimizes installation time, guarantees the hydraulic seal, provides a high mechanical strength, guarantees the reliability of the work over time. Thank you for following us and good luck with your work.